Immerse yourself in the profound insights offered by Father Chuck Belmonte as he delves into daily reflections on various gospel passages from the Bible.
How can I overcome hardships in my family? Family life has its challenges, from daily tensions to difficult trials like failing an exam, experiencing heartbreak, or losing a job. These moments can leave us feeling vulnerable. However, the Catholic faith teaches that no adversity is without purpose. Each can be an opportunity to grow in love, unity, and trust in God. Constant distractions, rushing, and cell phones that steal our attention can erode the harmony of the home. The key is to reclaim our presence, looking each other in the eye, truly listening, and turning off notifications when we're together. Learning to be bored as a family allows us to enjoy simple things and discover the beauty already present. A sincere hug, a word of encouragement, a heartfelt thank you. These are powerful medicines for the soul. When we cultivate daily gratitude for small blessings, like breakfast together, shared laughter, or a day without major problems, the family becomes a haven of peace, even amidst the daily grind. A failing grade, an unplanned course, or a learning difficulty can crush a child's self-esteem and worry the entire family. But failure isn't the end. It's an invitation to humility and renewed effort. From a Catholic perspective, education is an act of love and service, patiently supporting our children without judgment or comparison, reminding them that their worth is not defined by grades but by being beloved children of God. Instilling the certainty that God accompanies them in every stumble and that persevering through effort and prayer is already a victory, transforms failure into a lesson in maturity and strength. A broken relationship, a marital crisis, or the pain of separation leaves deep wounds affecting the entire family. True love, however, doesn't disappear. It is purified. In moments of emotional dark night, when feelings wane, we can choose to love selflessly, honoring our commitment before God. In marriage, letting go of selfishness and individualism to build a strong we brings genuine joy, even when feelings fluctuate. Forgiving, asking for forgiveness, and renewing affection in everyday life, a gesture, a prayer together, shared silence, heals wounds and shows children that true love endures and grows stronger in times of trial. The family thus becomes a place of healing and a living witness to Christ's love. Losing a job creates fear, but it's also an opportunity for true family leadership to protect, encourage, find solutions together, and maintain hope. Focus on what is essential. A person's dignity does not depend on an employment contract, but on being a child of God. While searching for work, the family can grow in solidarity with creativity to reduce expenses, trusting prayer, and small projects that bring everyone together. Have confidence that God never abandons His own and often prepares greater graces through difficult times. Overcoming adversity as a family isn't about avoiding suffering, but about facing it hand in hand with God and our loved ones. When we unite in family prayer, in the Eucharist, in mutual service, and in daily dedication, we discover that difficulties do not destroy us. They shape us more into Christ and make us a stronger, brighter, holier family.
I would be delighted to extend an invitation to you once again tomorrow for another insightful reflection on the Gospel by Father Belmonte.